Are you running multiple projects at once, juggling priorities and solving problems late at night? Basically operating like a full company but doing it all on your own? Your research lives across tabs, ideas are scattered across conversations, and once things start moving, progress becomes harder to track. If you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or managing complex work on your own, this probably feels familiar. So let's build clarity. Today, I'll show you how a project can move from idea to execution using Operon as a single workspace. Let's start with what every project needs: structure. Before decisions are made, the goal needs to be clear. Using Neon Make, a project can be turned into defined milestones, timelines, to-dos, and everything needed to manage progress. Simply define what your web app should include in your prompt, and a dashboard is generated from a single request, creating a clear overview of priorities, progress, and next steps. All prompts used here are shared in our Discord, so you can rebuild and remix the setup yourself. Neon Make allows you not only to share your dashboard via link, but also to save the prompt in Neon cards to reuse it for other future projects. Now the project has direction. With that foundation in place, the first project request comes in, but from a market you don't fully know yet. Before making any decisions, you need context. But research can easily turn into hours of reading without clear outcomes. Instead of manually digging through sources, we use ODRA, Neon's deep research agent. Simply create a prompt with the things you want to know about your project niche. ODRA maps the landscape, identifies competitors, gathers insights, and summarizes customers' expectations. The output is a clean, structured PDF that gives you a brief summary of the industry, so you can make informed decisions faster. Projects can often start with vague inputs, an early concept or just a rough idea. With Neon Chat, even unclear requests can be turned into a structured brief. Define the necessary elements in your prompt, and the output delivers target audience, desired features, deliverables, and timelines, built on the initial project idea. The research PDF created earlier can also be reused to keep context consistent. What started as an idea now becomes a clear plan. Now that we have a structured brief, it's time to talk finances and contracts. Things many of us dread, but have to do. A long contract arrives as a PDF, sometimes even in another language. Let's not waste time fighting with translators or guessing what it really says. Upload the agreement to Neon and type a prompt that analyzes the terms, flag potential risks, and suggests edits. The result is a clear summary with actionable recommendations, allowing you to respond with professional and confident feedback. Projects no longer live across disconnected tools. Research, planning, decisions, and execution happen inside one Agentic workspace. If you want to explore the workflows used in this video, you can join our Discord and try them yourself. We'll see you there.